January ni som ni pakhat sang ni som ni paruk ani tuna hianin Donald Trump hianin World Economic Forum a thua soime ka hi the White House YouTube channel hianin an ron live ani he tu soina hianin Greenland chungchang chiang takin ron soini angai dan te US ta ani ziete le Greenland chungchang hian engtiam malak nge tumti te po hi aron soive ka to he karon riek don ni chunin thil pakhat ka soidu chu the White House hianin live na hianin a mui phun le a sound hi lemin in min lo de ho ma hi chu an mani channel thiam lo ni o tuna live a thu soila hi kan react chilang.
Would you like me to say a few words of Greenland? I was going to leave it out of the speech, but I think I would have been reviewed very negatively.
Greenland chungchang soiturin min duem atia mi pui khan nui dar dar ani he ka thu soitura hianin tello ka tuma ma ro chu in hriat chak ka ringa atia chuanin ka soilo chuanin review min pe chhelu to kang ti ka lawa chu wan chuanin ka soyang atia ni.
I have tremendous respect for both the people of Greenland and the people of Denmark.
Denmark mi pui te le Greenland mi pui te he ka za e be mani.
Tremendous respect. But every NATO ally has an obligation to be able to defend their own territory.
NATO ram zong zong te hianin an mani ram chu an du phat chuanin an veng him theya.
And the fact is, no nation or group of nations is in any position to be able to secure Greenland other than the United States.
Tu da hianin eng rampo le a huwa thok rampo hianin Greenland vanei theina tur power hi United States ti lo chuanin an nei lo ani a ti chan ni.
We're a great power.
Kan power kan nga ati.
Much greater than people even understand. I think they found that out 2 weeks ago in Venezuela.
Mitam tak rin phak ba ka nasa hianin US hianin thila ti theiani he thil po hi kar ni kalta Venezuela khanin khovel khanin a hre chiang vieu ani.
We saw this in World War II when Denmark fell to Germany after just 6 hours of fighting.
World War II in do pui pani na po khanin kan muchiang le ani Denmark le Germany khan Denmark kha varun ani chonin darkar ruklek anin beinu khanin Denmark kha tlutamaya
and was totally unable to defend either itself or Greenland. So the United States was then compelled, we did it, we felt an obligation to do it, to send our own forces to hold the Greenland territory, and hold it we did at great cost and expense.
Tutia Denmark an lo invent thei tak si lawa chuanin United States te hianin tha kan thaw angai kan tia chu wang chuanin indo pui pani na hun lai khan Denmark chan tur te Greenland veng him tur te khanin United States hianin kan Sipai te kan han tira ni ti chuanin kan han tira Greenland a khanin kan hanin buna chuan mitam takin nuna an chan pha ani United States US Sipai tam takin Denmark le Greenland chan na ko khanin le German kha an len zelo nan le raman lak bel zelo nan khan United States US Sipai tam takin nuna an chan ani.
They didn't have a chance of getting on it, and they tried. Denmark knows that. We literally set up bases on Greenland for Denmark.
Denmark te hian an hre chiang ani engma ti thian nei lo ti United States te hianin Denmark tan Greenland a hianin base Sipai mun tam tak kan siam sak ani.
We fought for Denmark. We weren't fighting for anyone else. We were fighting to save it for Denmark. Big, beautiful piece of ice. It's hard to call it land. It's a big piece of ice.
Tu tan ma kan Indo lo Denmark chan tumin Indo na hen kan telani tiang za hanin ron kai lu dei me hi Indo pui pani no hun lai changin ron shoot thawani President Trump hian mo.
But we saved Greenland and successfully prevented our enemies from gaining a foothold in our hemisphere. So we did it for ourselves also.
Greenland kan chan hima ti chuanin German ral alin lo aron len bel zelo na turatanin US chuanin thei to pa chua a hlot ling ta reng boka ti chuan Germanin heta kemani ram lam haya ram aron lak bel tamia lawa Denmark tan thil tha tia Greenland tan thil tha tia kemani tan po thil tha kan tia ni aron tia ni.
And then after the war, which we won it big. Without us, right now you'd all be speaking German and a little Japanese, perhaps.
Indo na khan ne na kan chang ta ne na chang tu chu ke ma ni kan ni United States kan ni kha Indo na khan ni ne na chang lo ila chu tu na hianin กับมาอมโฮซงซงเฮียนินเยอรมันจงแต่ญี่ปุ่นจงแต่อินจงอินจงอังอาเตียนี่มอทรัมป์ปะเคียนินที่ฮัมฟิล์มทูเตทอปานี่งั้นหลังแรงขบไหม
After the war, we gave Greenland back to Denmark. How stupid were we to do that?
อินโดนีเซียส่วนนี้กรีนแลนด์กับเดนมาร์กกูตากันหลานเลยอะกันเล่าบอลครบไหมอาเตียนี่
We did it, but we gave it back. But how ungrateful are they now? So
ตัวไหนเฮียนี่กรีนแลนด์ให้กันเป็นเล็ดต่ออะมารอจูลมน่ะแรงอันนี้เลยว่านี่เดนมาร์กเตะเฮียนฮารอนติปปไหมนี่
now our country and the world face much greater risks than it did ever before because of missiles, because of nuclear, because of weapons of warfare that I can't even talk about.
ตัวไหนเฮียนี่รำช่างอินรัลทวมและรำ US เมลมาเต้นในตัวเมลมาเต้นรัลทวมแล้วมาอันซอนเวเซลวางอินรำเวนหิมนะไงพอยโมอัจูลเวียวะตัวน่ะพอเฮียนี่ US ดินมุนเฮียเดอร์ทองต่อเลยนี่เฮียยังรำอันเมลมาเต้นมาอันซอนเวเซลวางเฮียน
2 weeks ago, they saw weapons that nobody ever heard of. They weren't able to fire one shot at us. They said, what happened? Everything was discombobulated. They said, we've got him in our sights. Press the trigger, and nothing happened. No anti-aircraft missiles went up. There was one that went up about 30 feet and crashed down right next to the people that sent it. They said, what the hell is going on? Those defensive systems were made by Russia and by China. So they're going to go back to the drawing boards, I guess.
ตัวน่ารอนสอยเคซูการ์นี่กัลตาเวเนซุเอลามาดูโรอามันจงจางขานี่ยา US ค่ะทอนตั้มตักทอกลูตันในเวเนซุเอลาค่ะส่วนนี้อัน air defense system ประคัดมาค่ะ inactivate แล้ววะนี่ที่ส่วนนี้มิสไซล์ประคัดค่ะจะฟิตสมทุมเวลาสร้างค่ะรอนทอกไม่เทียอามารอนจุกหาพอคันเลยค่ะนี่อัตลัทะเลรอนกับสวกตูเตบุลาคันส่วนนี้เวเนซุเอลาสิไปเต้นมักอันติเซียที่ทรัมป์เฮียนี่นารอนสอยที่อาศัยตุ้มเบรจู US in technology อันนี้ชัดโตเซียเล่รำดังเวเนซุเอลาอินะ air defense system China เล่รัสเซียเตเซียมอัพมันUS นะเอ็งมาทอกเทโลตูระอันเซียมเทียอันเทคโนโลยีอัจงนุ่งบิ๊กเซียฮะทรัมป์เฮียนินเฮตาเฮียนินอารอนสวยหลังตาเนี่ย
Greenland is a vast, almost entirely uninhabited and undeveloped territory. It's sitting undefended in a key strategic location between the United States, Russia, and China. That's exactly where it is, right smack in the middle.
Greenland ฮีรำปอยหมอตักอันนี้อ่ะตัวเฮียนิน US รัสเซียและ China เตอินการะตักเฮียนินเอามานี่อ่ะปอยหมอครับไม่เตี้ยเนี่ย
Wasn't important nearly when we gave it back. You know, when we gave it back, it wasn't the same as it is now. It's not important for any other reason, you know. Everyone talks about the minerals. There's so many places. There's no rare earth. No such thing as rare earth. There's rare processing, but there's so much rare earth. And this to get to this rare earth, you got to go through hundreds of feet of ice. That's not the reason we need it. We need it for strategic national security and international security. This enormous unsecured island is actually part of North America.
อินโดปุยปันหินะจอคานินเดนมาร์กเนี่ยนะคันกรีนแลนด์ค่ะกันเปลี่ยนตาข้าที่หุ่นไล่ข้าจนินกรีนแลนด์คันปุยหมดนะนี่วักแล้วว่ามาเราจะตัวนั้นจนินปุยหมดต่อครบไม่อะรำช่างอินมันส่วนตัวส่วนจนินกรีนแลนด์ฮีดิกตาก็สวยจนินนอร์ทอเมริการามาฮงลูเทียนี่อะเตล่าส่วนจนินกรีนแลนด์ฮี US ตั้งเจ้านี่เรา NATO ตั้งเจ้านี่เราโคเวลปุ่มปุยหิมนาตัวรัตันเฮียนินอปุยหมดมันนี่ที่ทรัมป์เฮียนินเทียมตักไม่นารอนสอยนี่
On the northern frontier of the Western Hemisphere, that's our territory.
Greenland he can Romani.
It is therefore a core national security interest of the United States of America. And in fact, it's been our policy for hundreds of years to prevent outside threats from entering our hemisphere. And we've done it very successfully. We've never been stronger than we are now. That's why.
Greenland he apoi mo ma kum tam tak chung United States suan in thei to pa chuwa ke ma ni lama Western Hemisphere an ram mel ma te ina ram man ron nei lo na turata ne mian ron lu lo na turin ke na thata kan lo thok to thina ni ati ni
Why American presidents have sought to purchase Greenland for nearly 2 centuries. You know, for 2 centuries they've been trying to do it. They should have kept it after World War II, but they had a different president. That's all right. People think differently.
For 2 centuries at the omje kum za ni don vel to United States in Greenland hi le yalo tum to Indo pui pan hina zo khanin US khanin lo tan nei mak turania amaro chu khati hun lai khanin United States khan Greenland kha Denmark ne na khanin apele le amaro chu khati hun lai khanin e roi tu dang ril ru dang pu an ne ya kan ne ya US one chu ma chonin ti thei kan nei big lo ni ti ani.
Much more necessary now than it was at that time, however. In 2019, Denmark said that they would spend over $200 million to strengthen Greenland's defenses. But as you know, they spent less than 1% of that amount. 1% is no.
Sang ni so pakwa khanin Denmark te chuanin Greenland Sipai Greenland ven him nan 200 million chuang kan sengang antia amar chu khata khanin 200 million po seng lo khan 200 million 1% vel chi kha Denmark chuanin aseng ta ani amang ta ani kha Trump hian in ron soi chuak ani.
No sign of Denmark there. And I say that with great respect for Denmark, whose people I love, whose leaders are very good.
Denmark ram froi tu te thai me man ram mi pui te po hi kap mang ai ni ka zai me mani amaro chu khatianga 200 million US dollar kan mang an ti kha engman mang ta silawa Greenland a khanin Denmark nu ma khatiang kha engma muturo om box silawa tin Trump hian in mak ati thu kha soi ni.
It's the United States alone that can protect this giant mass of land, this giant piece of ice, develop it and improve it and make it so that it's good for Europe and safe for Europe and good for us. And
United States United States Greenland ram veng him thei tu om chun ani chu wang chuanin United States kuta om chuanin Greenland a hianin development te pot thenga nga chuan Europe ram te pon him pha nga United States ram US te pon him boka nga.
And that's the reason I'm seeking immediate negotiations to once again discuss the acquisition of Greenland by the United States.
Tunai hianin hetiang hian karot soi non le ani mo kan man mo khop mai Greenland hi United States hianin ani thei ngei na turadan hianin karon thar thole don ani hatiani.
Just as we have acquired many other territories throughout our history, as many of the European nations have. They've acquired. There's nothing wrong with it.
United States te po hianin ram tam tak an lo la to Europe ram ami te po hianin khovel mun sang sang hianin ram tam tak an lo la ve to thawa hi thil sual po ni chuang lo atiani.
Many of them, some went in reverse actually. If you a threat to NATO, this would greatly enhance the security of the entire alliance, the NATO alliance. The United States is treated very unfairly by NATO.
NATO te hianin United States min treat dan affair lo khop mai United States on in NATO te atran pui na sa boxi hatiani.
Tell you that. And when you think about it, nobody can dispute it. We give so much and we get so little in return.
NATO tan hianin sumtam takkan senga tha kan thove na sa ni amaro chu engma kan donglen ngai lo ni NATO tang hian NATO shrim hi Russia tangin kan veng hi ma amaro chu lom na tak po hi an nei lo ni na lang te ti chodon ni ta khian mo.
And I've been a critic of NATO for many years. And yet I've done more to help NATO than any other president by far, than any other person. You wouldn't
US President om to zong zing a chuan NATO hi ka than pui na sa bera ni hati ni.
Have NATO if I didn't get involved.
NATO hi ke ma hi enroll loi la zo NATO po hi om lawang.
In my first term, the war with Ukraine is an example. We are thousands of miles away, separated by a giant ocean. It's a war that should have never started, and it wouldn't have started if the 2020 U.S. presidential election weren't rigged. It was a rigged election. Everybody now knows that. They found out. People will soon be prosecuted for what they did. It's probably breaking news, but it should be.
Sang ni som ni United States presidential election khatsu rigged ni lo sela chu tuna hianin kala president renga ka president luana nga tuna Ukraine le Russia indo te po engma muturo om lawang amaro chu kha president United States presidential election 2020 ani kha khata khanin fair lo taka thil ti ania khatia ga innam noi zong zong te po hian in tunai hian in hremna an tok don ani te in Trump hian in puang hal breaking news pon na manghal ani he platform he.
It's a rigged election. Can't have rigged elections. You need strong borders, strong elections, and ideally a good press. I always say it. Strong borders, strong elections, free, fair elections, and a fair media. The media is terrible. It's
border thatak kan mamoya United States suanin election fair tak kan mamobo ka United States suanin chuan press te po hi an bias tura nilo thudik lo hi an report tura nilo press te po hi I pangai tak lak tak kan nei ai ni ate ni
very because it's losing all states, won the popular vote, won every bill. But you also did a terrible, terrible situation. If you look, the border was open. And I know Putin very well. He and I would just
soy na lai takhi kan ngai thatheng zolo mai anga ma ro chu Trump hian in Greenland hi Sipai chakna mang zonin ka bei lawang ati ani ala thui do ne mai chu ban zonin kan re kan du tok riang apoi mo bera zonin Trump hian in Greenland hi Sipai chakna mang zonin kan bei lawanga ama ro chu Greenland hi US hunwai hian in om thuai don om ngei don atita ani kha nakina news dang te pon Sipai han tir sawe thona an tir sawe Greenland a run don Greenland a bei don ti te po khanin ani vaklo mai theni World Economic Forum a meu Greenland hi Sipai chakna mangin kala lawang ti to miawa ethila hi chu asoi na mun hi World Economic Forum ani boka so van so nin do ta soi lo tura ngai la min prank lo tura ngai la hetiangin thila soyanga asoi lo da nang dei khana lo omle pal ve thei thawa amaro chu asoi na mun hi World Economic Forum ani katiang khathilom je ani asoi tumbera ka rin chu Trump hian in ama ngai da na le Trump administration United States ngai da na chuan United States hian in Greenland tan Denmark tan te hian le Europe NATO tan hian in thilati sakna sa to lutuk chu wang chuan in tuna Greenland US hunwaya da atum na le Greenland nei atum na hi chu Denmark te NATO te po hian in anza let sak ve turani ti hi Trump ngai dan ni ber hian in ashriata ani adi zong ha tun trumata na kan han react thei chu ni video la in mula theu do ne